Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, so that you be very careful with this. They have brought us a car on a tow truck to the workshop and we have asked the owner of the car that, having seen what was wrong with the car, and he told us that nothing was wrong with the car, but, that the police stopped him and told him that the car could not drive with the wheels in that state. They told him FINED and they forced him to call the tow truck to take it to a workshop, to change those tires. All four are the same. Look at how they are cracked. There you can see that you can see that they are very cracked. The problem of these tires are harder than asphalt. And these tires do not grip anything. There you see the week of manufacture, week 34 of the year 2011. There you see how they are cracked. This, as I said, can happen to anyone, if they stop you like this. They can perfectly fine you and immobilize the car, okay? Like ego, be very careful with this car has all four tires, they have similar cracks. Well, there you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.